2003 Saturn Ion Sedan, 2003 Saturn Ion Sedan, 2003 Saturn Ion Sedan. Hi, I'm Nick Smith, owner of this 2003 Saturn Ion Sedan, and I'm here to part out and bring the savings to you. We've got rack and pinions, half shafts, water pump, alternator, throttle control module. We even have a set of coil packs. They work fine, but have a break where a mechanic didn't know how to actually take them off. Anyway, we've got idler pulleys, valve covers, exhaust manifold, AC components. Also have all the fuel system components. What do you need? Need a head? We got you. What do you need? You need a brake booster? I got you. Okay, we got all the pedals in here for an automatic car. We have even the steering shaft and all the stuff there. Maybe you need an exhaust. Or maybe you just need a transmission. Here's a like-used 170,000 mile AF23 transmission out of a Saturn Ion Sedan. And what's under the tarp, you might ask? Why, everything else. We have the dashboard, the front crash bar, we have all the shocks, all the springs, rear brake drums, AC components, more of them. We have everything you need for this car. If you have any needs for a 2003 Saturn Ion Sedan and need parts for it, hit your boy up, I got you. Maybe you're looking for the door panels, or possibly part of the dashboard, or maybe even an airbag. Maybe you have a blown airbag and you just want to save your car. I have new ones, okay? Well, they're not new. But to you, that will be like new whenever your insurance company lets you keep the car. Back here, we've got seats. They are disgusting. They could be cleaned. Let's see, fan, radiator. Back in the back, we have all kinds of stuff back there. It's every trim piece. Every trim piece that you could possibly need, we have. Because I'm tearing this car apart, and every piece has got to go. I'm going to keep a few of the body panels, and that's it. Door's gone. Need a door? It's yours. Take it. $100. All right, cool. And last but not least, we have this amazing set of wheels. Okay, these wheels came off the 2003 Saturn Ion from the factory year. Now, they might have some light curb rash. You got to talk to the lady that drove it before me for that. But I will say, these have been out here for months, sitting in the exact same spot, maybe rolled around a few times, but they haven't even been on a car. They still hold air. They haven't lost a single pound, so they are true. They don't shake, they balance out well. If you want them, they're yours. Take them. Those are not $100. Those are going to be $300 because the tires, boom, here's the selling point on that. Those tires are brand spanking new. They even have little hairs on them. See, what happened with this car was it had a timing chain failure. All right, that's apparently what happens whenever you drive the car forever and never change the oil. So the chick that had the car blew it up. I got the car. It had just been serviced and had a lot of work. It had a lot of new parts on it, a lot of good stuff on it. But unfortunately, the motor went kaput. So I bought it for the chassis, and the rest is yours.